Hey guys, this is Clinton Jeff, and today we are checking out the Spiderman Far From Home Edition realmeX. Now, the easiest way to get me interested in anything in general is to somehow relate it with comic books. I'm one of the biggest comic book nerds I know, and I have the collection to prove it. In fact, on that note, I was actually kind of hoping it would be a Spider-Man India edition. Yes, this is a real comic book, but maybe thankfully it's not. So the realmeX is one of the most talked about phones in the market right now. Everyone's talking about it, so I'm excited to check it out. But in the meanwhile, here's what you get with the Spider-Man Far From Home Edition box. Alright, so let's take it apart. First you slip off that sleeve and you have this really cool red box with the Spider-Man costume eyes right there. That's pretty cool. Alright, so you open it up and you have the pearl white realmeX right there. Alright, before we talk about the realmeX, let's see what else is in there. You have the Oppo Wok standard charging cable, which is Type-C, and the Wok charging block as well. I'm not really sure if it's pronounced Wok or VOOC. Kind of sounds very Star Trek-y, but there you go. But the coolest thing has to be the case. The nice little red casing there with the Spider-Man branding along with the Realme branding over there. Since it's an official case and everything, it fits the realmeX really well, with a space for the pop-up selfie camera, and generally feels pretty nice on the phone. Alright, apart from that, you have the SIM card ejector tool and the usual documentation on your Realme device and warranty. So yeah, it's pretty much your standard device. You just have nicer packaging and a nice little Spider-Man casing. So that's a quick look at just the box for the realmeX Spider-Man Far From Home Edition. Of course, I'll be checking out the realmeX for the next 1 week and I'll let you guys know my thoughts on the phone. This is a phone that I'm really excited to check out because everyone's been talking about it. But in the meanwhile, if you guys have any questions about this phone, please let me know in the comment section below. But of course, you can also let me know right over on Twitter or on Instagram @ClintonJeff. That's about it. Thanks for watching guys, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.